Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A5 2020, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to the device. So before you can actually add one, you will also have to have another way of unlocking the device. So once you try to add it, it will actually move you to setting up some kind of PIN, password, or pattern. But as you will see right now, I already have one set, so I won't need to. So let's just go into settings and proceed from here by going into fingerprint, face, and password, and then tap on fingerprint. And normally, if you don't have anything set, you won't see this, but because I do, I will have to confirm it. So without any passcode, you will be immediately taken right here. So from here, you tap on add a fingerprint, and then it will tell you that you will need to enroll additional way of unlocking the device. So confirm it. And I think default setup is a 6-digit PIN. So you can put that in, or you can also change it by tapping add a different way of unlocking, something like that, and just choose whichever one you want. And once you add it, you will then see this. So from here, you want to start tapping away on the sensor that is located on the back of the device, as you can see right here. So start tapping away on that, which I will do right now. And once you touch it, it will automatically go into screen scanning. Now when you're scanning your finger, make sure that you basically get your finger at the start, the middle of it, primarily. So that's what you want to focus in this part, and then continue, and you want to get the outside of your finger now. So try to get all around your finger. And there we go. You can see done, tap on continue, and that's about it. So if you lock the device now, you have the two ways of unlocking: the PIN, pattern, or password that you have set, which for me is the pattern, and the other way is with the fingerprint, which, as you can see, it works fairly well. So if I were to tap it about now, it didn't read it, so let's try that again. Where is it? Now, there we go. So it works really quick. But yeah, that's how you would add it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.